What is up, my simple cooks? It's Johnny here from Simple Cookery. On this channel we upload simple recipes and cooking techniques to help you get more confident in the kitchen. Today we're making a super easy and healthy breakfast recipe, smashed avocados and poached eggs. Let's go through the ingredients we'll need for today. You want to get avocados that are nice and ripe. Two ways to tell is when you press on them, they're going to be a little bit soft. That means that when you're smashing them, it's going to be much easier for you to smash your avocados. And another way is the color. So usually when avocados are not ripe, it's going to be a very green color. When they start turning this brown shade, that's when you know they're getting nice and ripe. To season our smashed avocados, we're going to use some chili flakes, paprika, and some lemon, which is going to add some acidity to the smashed avocados. For the eggs, obviously 2 eggs. I've got 2 slices of sourdough bread. You can use any bread that you like. To top it off, I've got some cherry tomatoes, which I'm going to quarter later on. Sprinkle on with some feta cheese. Very nice stuff. Let's get into the cooking. First step is we're going to do the smashed avocado. So what you want to do when you're smashing the avocado is slice them in half. And what you can do is you open them up, and what you'll see is there's going to be a seed. So what I do is you just hit the seed, that, and you can just chuck it away somewhere. Okay, so what you want to do is get the spoon and just scoop it all out. You can just feel that it's nice and soft. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now I'm going to smash the avocados with this. You just get a big spoon and you just want to like start smashing them like this. Avocado is nice and smashed now. It's relatively smooth, so now let's season this up. So first up, we're going to go with our paprika. Paprika is going to add a lovely smokiness to the smashed avocado. So just about a teaspoon. Don't have to be too exact. Cooking is not about being exact, eh? Add some chili flakes for a bit of spice. Obviously, if you can't handle too much spiciness like me, don't add too much. Or you can even just leave it out as well. But most importantly, you're going to make sure you add pepper. So also salt, because obviously avocado is bland just by itself. So you got to add some salt to season things up. Okay. And then just give everything a good mix again. Now, really important thing is gonna taste it to see if the seasoning's right. So, I think a bit more salt. Add a bit more salt to it. Another good mix, and that's looking good. Okay, so the next step is I'm gonna poach my eggs and toast my bread at the same time. And it's all gonna be ready with our smashed avocados at the end. Add some olive oil to the pan. And then let's just toast these up on about a medium heat for about 5 minutes. So for the eggs, as I said before, you want the water to be nice and still. If it's bubbling up on the surface, once you crack your eggs in, the eggs are going to break apart. And I'm just going to add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. And the vinegar is going to help the egg whites set when you add the eggs into the water. For the eggs, I want to get a little teacup, which I actually took from this is actually my mom's afternoon teacup. So you want to crack the eggs into the teacup first. So the reason why we do that is when you add it into the water, you don't just crack it in from a high angle. You can actually just like use a teacup and plump it in when it's nice and close to the water. So you want to be very gentle. So what you want to do, get a chopstick, because you know I'm Asian, and just swirl the water around for about 10 seconds. The reason why we're doing this is once your egg goes in, it's going to help the egg whites wrap around the egg and keep that nice poached egg kind of look. So now I'll just add the egg in. Do it again for our second egg. While it's still spinning, just add the egg. Okay, flip it over. Look at that, golden brown, that's what we want. Okay. After another minute, let's take these out, have a look. Oh, it's perfect. Lay your poached eggs down. And then let's just let them soak in the paper towel. We've got everything ready. Smashed avocados, poached eggs, toasted bread. Now I'm just gonna quarter these tomatoes, start plating this thing up, and add the feta cheese in at the end. Let's go. healthy, easy, and very simple, as always on this channel. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, guys. Give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful. Comment down below what other recipes you'd like to see on this channel. Drop a comment down below letting us know what other recipes you'd like to see on this channel. Also, if you want to see the next episode, subscribe down below. Hit that notification bell button to get notified of our weekly videos on Simple Cookery. We upload simple recipes and cooking techniques to help you get more confident in the kitchen. Anyways, see you next week, guys. I'm out.
Yes.
Cheers.
No, you don't deserve it today.
Oh.
Huh? How much is this for? How much is this?
That sourdough bread, man.